G'day, it's Pete here, and I wanted to show you how to install Real Deal Bridge. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to www.realdealbridge.com. There's a few other things that you can do. You could just Google search Real Deal Bridge and it'll be the top link here. Or if you just went to the play.realdealbridge and you're on the website, you'll get this pop up and you'll get to be offered to download RDB there, which you want to actually do. But if you're on www.realdealbridge.com, you just want to click this top button here where it says download Real Deal Bridge now. So we'll click that. And here, what we want to choose is, do we want to download for Windows, Mac, or on mobile? So I'm on a Windows PC, so I'll show you how to do that. You can either click Windows or you can just click on the icon there. And then what we've got is it's a little pop-up here saying, do we want to install it? Webinstaller.exe. So we want to click Save File. So what that's going to do is going to download. It'll depend on what sort of internet search you're doing. You might get something down the bottom, down here to show you. You might also get something up here where we can do that. So check where you can see this web_installer.exe. Is it down the bottom left? Is it up in here? Depends on what sort of internet search you're doing. And then we can click there. Then we would just want to click yes, we want to allow access. And then what you want to do is you'll get this Real Deal Bridge launcher, and you can choose where you actually want to save it. You can choose browse and change that if this isn't where you want to do it. Otherwise, what you want to do is click install. From here, this will just take a moment to actually install. When we're actually in the launcher after it's installed, anytime you see a big green button, that's what you want to do to get in. That's what it'll do to actually install it. That's what it'll do to get you to actually start playing. So you want to give that a shot. So all we had to do there was choose where we wanted to install it and then click next. We'll give that a moment while it installs. At some point, we'll get a nice big black pop-up box where it'll do some stuff. Don't worry, that is completely normal. Just taking a moment while it's putting all the files in. Once you've got this here, it'll always be on your computer. You won't need to go through the web to actually do it anymore. It'll just be a nice icon on your computer that you can always go to. And it'll always update it. When we're doing it, the launcher part of this, you always want to keep it open. So you don't want to close the launcher. I'll highlight that more later, but while you're playing Real Deal Bridge, you want to leave the launcher open, otherwise it can make it a little bit awkward. So it's just finishing this up. Here's the black box that I mentioned briefly. Okay, and then we can click this check mark to run Real Deal Bridge launcher and then finish. So we can do that. And it's just going to check for updates. If we ever create some new updates, we can do that. But here's the big green button that we're talking about. This is all we really need to do, is to click play. And then we're going to get into Real Deal Bridge. We don't want to close this, otherwise the game won't be happy. And we've got Real Deal Bridge. It's installed on our computer. We don't need to keep going via the web. So this is how you can get into it. If you ever actually want to quit, leave Real Deal Bridge from here, what you actually need to do is just go up to the option button and then click quit, because you can't see the X button. So again, when you're done with Real Deal Bridge, come up to options and then just quit, and we're done. And again, if you just want to get back into Real Deal Bridge, you want to find where you've installed the launcher. It'll be saved on your computer. When you open it up, you want to click play, and we just leave that open. Anyway, that's how you can install Real Deal Bridge. Thanks all for watching, and look forward to seeing you at a table soon. Bye for now.